guys, Matt Edwards here with Vaught RV, and I'm going to have the pleasure of showing you some of our nice clean trade-ins that we've got in. Our used trailers that we get on trade-in go through a complete inspection, and we guarantee everything works by giving you a 90-day warranty on this. Okay, so this particular one is a 2020 model. It's a 2701 rear bath slide. Great floor plan, super clean little unit. Okay. Winnebago has got the magnetic latches up here that hold up, and it's a little bit wider through here as far as the cargo area. You could fit a lot of tubs in here. Plus you'll notice there's a heat vent in there. So if you up are in the cold areas and you've got your heater on, this will also heat your storage down here, okay? Pop that down. It's a 2020 rear bath walk-in pantry. It's a really nice trailer weight-wise. It's 6160 dry weight. So a lot of the half-tons, Tahoes, Suburbans, the Toyotas are able to pull this easy, okay? We've got our crate down stabilizers over here. These are really easy. If you get you one of those power cords, power drills, put a 3/4 inch bit on that, you can drop those down pretty easy. Moving right up here to the front, we've got the large propane bottles up here, okay? Gives you a little bit more time out there on the road. We fill these up, we check the battery, make sure everything's good. Got an LG power tongue jack up here with a light. You got your fiberglass cap over here with the nice little lights around the sides. There's the other side of your pass-through storage. And like on all trailers, I always look toward the tops. I look at the slides for any stress cracks, delamination, make sure the rubber's good and clean. We go through and check the roofs extensively on these. If there's any rips, tears, or damage, or previous damage that wasn't fixed right, we wholesale these out. We don't mess with them. We have a 4-star rating on Google, and we're very proud of that. Okay? You got your big slide through here. Back here is your hookups for your park cable, satellite, your fresh water. This is a 30 amp trailer here, okay? You got your roof ladder. Outside shower. Got our black tank flush over here. And I like trailers like this that don't have slides on the entertainment side. So that way if I've got the awning out, I got a couple chairs out here, I've got the fire pit, you know, it's more cooler to me. Okay, let's make our way inside. All right, we're inside now. Nice and cool, air conditioner's working really well. In fact, Brian made a comment of how light this looks, you know, with the window shades being a lighter color, the lighter wood through here. And this one's kind of neat. You've got your couch right here, and you've got a lounger, okay? And if you go through the stitching and look around the edges, you know, it's in really nice shape. This trailer wasn't used very much, but this is comfy. You got your place for your TV in there, and it looks like you could put a lot bigger TV in there if you wanted to, okay? Look at the light wood through here. Looks like we've got our power radio over here. I guess that'd also be a DVD player. Got storage down through here. Got both remotes. These lights up here, you know, the other ones that have the push button that clicks, these are just touch sensors. That's kind of neat. Okay, so the RBS means rear bath slide. So this has got the bathroom back here, which is a pretty decent size. Lots of storage for towels, blankets, all your cosmetics, your needs. And it's got a big old shower in here too, okay? So I got plenty of room to stand in here and turn around. If you look at the floors, like I always look at, I don't see any grime, any buildup. The vanity looks very clean. And we do have a door over here too that closes, okay? I like pocket doors. They're so much better than the doors that open. And a big feature on this trailer is right behind Brian, okay? One lady called this the timeout room. Check that out. I mean, you could put a clothes hanger in there. I mean, you could do a lot of good storage in there. You know, this would be a great trailer if you had to go somewhere for 2 or 3 weeks. Okay, moving down this way, we've got our dual refrigerator. Okay, Runs off electricity and propane. That way you can go boondocking with it. We've got our 3-burner stove over here with the glass top on it. Uh-oh. I gotta replace that light. Light's not working. Okay. Another brand new oven that nobody uses. They are good for warming up pizzas on a pizza stone. We've done baked potatoes in there. We've tried biscuits and come out with them, but it's so much better cooking biscuits on the fire, you know? Okay, so with all this closed down, we've got some pretty decent room over here for prep, okay? Got our mini blinds that come down. Got a backsplash back here. I've noticed a lot of folks are taking these out and kind of putting their own up there. We've got a thermostat AC, okay? So that way when this hits down to 66 degrees, it goes off. It doesn't sit there and continuously run, okay? We have a dual sink in this one, 2 sinks. It's got the wash rack and a little cover that goes right in there. Nice clean drawers all the way. Oh, more recipes. And down in here, you've got your books. But look how clean. There's no water damage, no yuckies down here. Pretty clean. Okay, we've got our booth dinette over here that does drop down to a bed. We've got storage underneath here. And these are in nice shape too, you know. I always look around the edges and the seams to see if there's any wear or tear on them. And this is the strap that keeps this from bouncing around. That's a cool idea right there. You've got plugs, you got your USB ports back there. And these cool touch lamps. That's just too neat. All along the side up here too, I noticed, everything looks good. A little bit of heat right through there. Oh, here's a snap too for that door. That when you're traveling, it doesn't slide back and forth. Okay, now we go back into the master suite. Okay, you've got a barn door slide over here that comes across for privacy. We've got an outside fan over here that pulls the hot air out or brings fresh air in. And up in here, these are pretty deep. That way you've got more storage up here as well as over here, okay? And I like these because they're not real claustrophobic. I can still put my water back there, my phone, a 35, or a CPAP machine. There is plugs on both sides, okay? And I know my wife, she'd be over here decorating everything. She uses those 3M stickers that have the Velcro on them. That way she can put a picture or, you know, put her flowers or plants up there, stuff like that. But it's fun. She has a lot of fun dressing these out. Well, guys, I want to thank you all very much for watching this. Remember, again, that we do offer a 90-day warranty on these. We have bank financing. The 2021s and the 19s that I showed y'all over the last couple of days are all bank financeable. We're in Texas. Price is always negotiable. But please hit the subscribe button. And if any questions, put them down there or call me. Brian's got my email address and my cell phone up there, okay? But y'all be safe out there and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, be sure to drop a comment below. Or if you have any suggestions on content you'd like to see, we'd love to hear about that. Go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again from VOD RV.